How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to check if someone has been removed from your friends list. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. From there, tap on My Friends. At this point, scroll through this list to see everyone currently on your friends list. In the next step, if the person you're looking for isn't listed here, they've likely been removed. Following this, to double-check, tap on the search icon at the top of the app. Once done, type in their username or name. From here, tap on their profile if it appears in the results. At this stage, if the button below their name says Add Friend, that confirms you're no longer friends with them. Keep in mind, Snapchat doesn't keep a record or history of friends you've removed in the past, so this method only shows your current friend status, not a log of past removals. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've confirmed their status. And that's it. If this guide helped you find deleted friends on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.